Lenovo Yoga tablet that can become a laptop and comes with a free stylus pen. If you're on the go person and looking for premium quality laptop tablet, this Lenovo Yoga Tab will never disappoint you. This Yoga Tab Pro includes stylus pen, detachable keyboard, and cover stand. Sa specs naman, naka Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 na yung processor neto with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of SSD with Qualcomm Adreno 750 graphics. Sobrang ganda na rin ng display neto dahil naka 11.1 inch 3.2K resolution na siya. Of course, perfect na rin to for designers, creators, CEO, or business pips na mahilig mag-travel. Dahil guaranteed na slim and lightweight lang to. When it comes to performance, nasa premium level na siya. Marami na siyang feature for entertainment and productivity, especially when you love taking notes, drawings, or digital art. This Lenovo Yoga Tab has paper-like experience. Marami na rin siyang smart features. Also, ang kagandahan pa dito, you can switch from tablet mode on Android to desktop or laptop mode like Windows. Normally sa market, mabibili nyo to around 33,000, but you can get this premium Lenovo Yoga Tab here at Laptop Factory for around 31,000 only. So if you're interested, visit lang kayo dito sa Laptop Factory and our kind staff will accommodate you. Dahil nga basta laptop, tablet, Laptop Factory.